Please.
Hi, I'm Deborah and I'm studying in European University in the Faculty of Medicine. I was guided here by Santana Krishnan sir. We are in the girls hostel. It's really a very safe environment, and we have a 4 sharing room and 5 sharing room, and everything is very clean and tidy. We have maids to clean our room once a week, and the food provided here are really very good. We have our own culture food, South Indian foods, and the transport to the college is really very easy. We have a bus coming for like every 10 to 20 minutes, and we have 2 campuses, and the distance is quite near. Then the college is really friendly, and we have a friendly environment. The friends, teachers, and everyone are really kind and friendly to us. The place is really good, and thank you.